for every occasion. You gotta go to Ross.
The lengthy deportation history of a DUI suspect at 11. Tell me about our trip. Pretty amazing.
Took them on an attitude of a roller coaster ride.
And that's a good thing, right?
It's good. The question is it good enough?
The jury is surprisingly unanimous in its attitude towards Benny. Coming into this thing, they were convinced he was a bad guy and guilty.
And now,
They're not convinced.
what we really want, what we really need, is for them to be convinced of his innocence. Hard to do without offering up a guilty party in his stead. I was sort of hoping you would tell me the defense could rest.
You could, but we want an acquittal, not a hung jury. And while there are unanimous good feelings towards Benny, there's not unanimity about what he's been accused of doing.
What do you mean? How is that even possible?
Well, for instance, these three guys here have come to believe that Benny is a good man. And because he's a good man, he could have planted that evidence to...
The spin down's real long. This is the Hampton Bay Clarkson. We got this a while ago, like at the beginning of this year, along with the Hampton Bay Brookhurst for my room. We got this one for the kitchen because the last one burnt out, just like the one in my room burnt out. Really good ceiling fan here. 48 inches. The one in my room, 52 inches.
He's my client. You're my
The
defense.
spin down on this one is super long. The one in my room is okay.
What's with the attitude, Benny? She's working like hell to save your skin. Does it matter if she doesn't?
Because I'm starting to question what side she's on. Someone gave her that material, and there's got to be a reason why.
I know a lot of you out there like ceiling fans, so I figured, well, let me do a ceiling fan video for y'all.
You should feel free to hire new counsel if you're
I
dissatisfied.
haven't done a video of this fan in a long time.
And if you don't trust me.
It's pretty decent for a modern fan. Although modern fans these days don't seem to last long like vintage ones do.
We see it every time you...
But it's good while it lasts.
Fine. It's your money. See you in court tomorrow.
I'm really liking that spin down right now. Just like it is on my fan in the room. Mine is all white. And we have a vintage Hunter, I believe it's Hunter Comfort Breeze or something like that.
Declare it has to be done.
Yeah, it's in my parents' room.
Do it.
Not for me. And by the way,
We basically got Hampton Bays all over the house, except for that one Hunter.
your state's exactly the same, right?
I'll bet you do.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. That's going to do it for the night. I'm tired. I'm going to sleep. I'll see y'all soon. Have a blessed evening. And God bless you.